Hello everyone and welcome to Debug Day. Today we will learn how to connect MetaMask with React app using Ethers.js. Firstly, create a new folder of your project and open into terminal. Now type npx create React app and then project name. Let's fast forward the installation process. Once done, open project in VS Code. Open terminal in VS Code and type npm start. This will be start server. Your React app should be run at local 3000. Back to code. You will see the default React homepage. Let's clean up unnecessary code. Create a simple button. Connect. It's visible on Chrome. Now add on-click handler on button. Create a async and add window.alert with dummy text. Go to Chrome, hit connect button. Here you can see your dummy text. Back to code. Before doing anything, let's jump to Ethers.js. Search on browser Ethers.js. On first link, documentation Ethers.js. Here is a complete Ethers documentation. You can learn about Ethers.js before proceeding and installation process. Go to get started. Here you can see npm install --save ethers. Here I copy this text. Go back to VS Code. Open another terminal and just paste and run. During installation Ethers.js, here is the install dependencies. When Ethers installation complete, it's appear here. You can see here 6.13.4. You can also cross verify. Open Chrome, search Ethers and npm, not package manager. Open first link. Here you can see latest version 6.13.4. Back to app.js. Here you can add a condition or check MetaMask is installed or not. And then try catch, and then a constant for provider, new ethers, and you can import ethers from ether. Here you can see import ethers from ethers, and then browser provider, window.ethereum. Constant addresses, await provider.send, ETH request count, and then selected account, here we are select first array of account, catch error, and then console.error, for print error in console. Now add console.log with selected account. I think everything's look fine. Now open Chrome, hit connect button. Yes, your MetaMask provider open. Now click on connect. Now your MetaMask wallet connect with your browser. Open developer option, go to console, your wallet address. You can also cross verify. Back to code. I also add alert with same wallet address. Hit connect. You can also see here. Delete both of these lines. Now here I set this selected account to a state. Now created a new state. Create a new state. Account, set account, and use state. Set. Now here we can set account with your wallet address. Add another div, paragraph, connected account, and then account. Here you can see when I connect my wallet, when I hit connect button, it shows my wallet address. Now I add strong tag in text, close strong tag, good. Add another state, balance, set balance for save for set balance. Another constant, balance in WEI. WEI is the smallest unit of Ethereum. Await provider dot get balance. With wallet address. Constant balance in ETH. Ether dot format. And then balance in WEI. Add a console. And print here balance in ETH. Here I also add window.alert for better understanding. Here you can see my balance in my wallet. Delete both of these. Now here I set balance in ETH. And balance print here in paragraph strong Ethereum balance. And here balance. You can also define here initial value. Here I set 0. 0 is our initial value. If you change here 1, it show you 1 here. For now I set 0. When I hit connect button, it show you balance here. Sometimes it's take time. Yes, it's now everything is here. Fine. Now I add another condition. For hide my connect wallet when my wallet is connected. Here, if my account is not available, then it show me connect button. Else it show me connected account and ETH balance. Just format this code. Here I open my Chrome. It's hide my connect button. Now it's time to disconnect my wallet. Add a button with disconnect wallet. Here you can see add on click handle disconnect, copy this, constant handle disconnect, arrow function. Here I set account to a null. And set balance also null. And add console wallet disconnect. When I hit here, it's erase everything. Connect. Now it's time to make changes in CSS. Delete all unnecessary CSS. And add display flags. Justify content center. Line item center. Justify content center. And give a height 100 VH with background. And also lastly also add background. Here you can see all the function working properly. Now when you connect your wallet, you will see wallet address and Ethereum balance. Thanks for watching and happy coding.